The very urgent update for all Theta Network holder. What experts says about Theta Network, and they will move upward, then they will wake up. Let's start a brand video, but kindly holders, you need to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon. Just complete 100 like on this video. Hope you do it, man. Alright, come to the point. Remember, this time Theta Network completely, my friend, you can see here moving upward, but definitely after a short fails, they will also very badly fails down. So I don't know, my brothers, to why, but let's see, my brother, in this video what expert says we do. Let's start a brand video. Kindly like and subscribe. Alright, come to the point. This time, my brothers, the Theta Network, one of the fastest cryptocurrency, last 1 month chart is on the screen, so we, my friends, see in the last. But first of all, I will tell you, my brothers, to we need to check out the update of this time, my brother. So update is going to be very good now, and last 1 hour and last 24 hour, this time Theta Network completely is in the profit. Congratulations, today this coin is in the profit. I hope, my brother, the price will be increasing in upcoming time, because after a very long fail they will starting moving upward. So I'm so happy, I'm so excited to see this. Congratulations everyone now. Alright, if you just and only, my friends, check it out the chart results, so we better understand. In the same time, as you can see, whether the change occurs, so that's mean to after a failure they will take a jump. And I hope, my brother, in upcoming time they will move upward, but just and only you need to hold and wait for a good time. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.